Hello, we'll give you a presentation on the trailer reverse assistance system. First, let me introduce why we chose the project. As I said before, our topic is trailer reverse. Let me ask you a question. Are you good at reversing? Then, please watch the next video and answer the questions. Let's take a look at the situation together. In this situation, which way should I turn the steering wheel to reverse, to the right, clockwise, or counterclockwise? Perhaps if you turn the handle clockwise and reverse, the trailer will turn left. You will need to turn the handle counterclockwise so that you can reverse it to the desired direction. Because of the different ways of reversing a regular vehicle, even good drivers find it difficult to reverse a trailer. Our TRAS team would like to work on a project to resolve difficulties and implement a trailer reverse assistance system to help trailer drivers. The goal of the project is to implement a system that can be applied to normal vehicles before self-driving vehicles. Next, we'll tell you the contents of the project. Our system will act as navigation for the vehicle. A camera is attached to the rear of the trailer, which will help determine the direction of the trailer's progress and look around. The driver can reverse by looking at the red circular gauge bar and matching the blue circular gauge bar, indicating the current handle angle, like a rhythm game. Additionally, the status of the current vehicle and trailer in the upper right corner allows for more accurate driving. The flowchart of our system is as follows. The camera attached to the trailer reconnaisses the lane and performs an algorithm to determine the look-ahead point for the trailer to follow in the lane recognized. Using the look-ahead point derived from the image processing, calculate the target linear speed and angular speed of the trailer with pure pursuit path planning. To move a trailer without power, use vehicle mechanics to convert it to vehicle speed. Provides a UI to compare the target steering angle with the current steering angle. If you are driving by comparing the handle angles in the UI provided, you can drive the desired path. Like this, our system is driven by the driver looking at the UI screen provided. By the way, can a person, not a system controller, keep up with the system's target? We wanted to check the possible problems with simulations and see if they were actually available in the system. To this end, data measuring the driver's response time to visual stimuli were referred to. To put it simply, the study conducted an experiment to check the brake lights of the vehicle ahead and measure the time it took to apply the brake. Assuming that the driver was driving with caution, 80% of the subjects responded within approximately 9 seconds. The simulation was carried out by creating a 3D modeling filing gazebo, and we set it as a delay model because we thought the delay input from the driver would be similar to the primary delay filter. The simulation was conducted in consideration of the delay time for visual response, and the thesis was written on the ICROS of the Control Robot System Society. You can find the details in our paper. First, we checked the possibility of our system in the simulation and conducted a real experiment. The next video is a demonstration video at 4x speed. Lastly, we analyzed the market to determine the value of our products. On the left is a graph of the registration status of camping cars and camping trailers surveyed by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, and Transport. If you look at the graph, you can see that the camping car and camping trailer market showed steady growth even before COVID, and among them, the proportion of camping trailers is high. Also, according to industry officials, the demand for camping cars and trailers has increased since COVID. According to the status of issuance of small towing licenses, on the right, the license insurance rate increased by 24.3%. compared to the first half of 2019 and 20. We believe this will help us see the growth of the trailer market and lead to growing demand for novice trailer drivers. Both Ford and Volkswagen's reverse assistance services are applicable to their limited models. In addition, you will have to pay an additional high cost to use this service. However, we can make products that are applicable not only to limited vehicles, but also to the majority of ordinary vehicles, increasing their generality and providing services at relatively low prices. Therefore, there are three values that we would like to offer to users. Easy and convenient for users to reverse in the desired direction. Compatibility applicable to many vehicles regardless of model. Safety to prevent accidents caused by premature driving while reversing a trailer. We consider these three key values to be available